Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. US markets came under profit booking, but US markets usually very volatile. S&P 500 from 6,000 plus, it went to 5,800. Again from 5,800 to 6,000 plus yesterday. Now there is some profit booking. Apple fell more than 4%. So this is one of the worst fall after August 5. Right? Remember August 5, Japan yen carry trade, Japan market fell 10%. Iran, Israel problem started, all those kind of things. And that was one of the worst days in US market history. So all is not well with Apple because, Apple for the first time started selling phones at a discount in China and those kind of things. So anyway, so we are not worried about the US markets. Most of the Asian markets are higher despite US market falling. China GDP data came better than expected. So probably that is one of the reasons why most Asian markets are higher. However, the GIFT Nifty is indicating about 60 points gap down. Okay, number one, the Nifty, it was trading, in Nifty future was trading around 23,350, Nifty around 23,300. Suddenly in the last 5 minutes, there was a big spike, about 50 points. Probably, the people who are holding positions in Axis Bank, Reliance Bank and Infosys, they tried to close their position. So probably that could be the reason. So if you remove that 40-50 point up move spike, now 60 point gap down, so which shows that, we will be back around like yesterday around 3:15 p.m. where we were. So we will be starting from there only. So there is no big change. There is no big up or down. However, individual stocks. So Infosys, yesterday I told you very clearly that if a stock has fallen so much ahead of the results, and even if the result is bad, the stock is not likely to fall much. But if there is some good news, the short covering will happen. And the opposite, if the stock has shot up so much ahead of the results, even if the results are good, the stock is not likely to go higher. But even if there is a slight disappointment, people will unwind their long positions, so that can drag the market down. So yesterday the report said, revenue was 8% higher, profit was 11% higher for Infosys. It looked like very good results. But ADR, American Depository Receipt, Infosys shares trading in US, it fell about 5.75%. But today morning it is up about 0.75%. So on a net, it is about 5% lower. I think the stock was down 2% already here. So, yesterday itself, some people have factored in that. So after that, there is another 2 to 3% Infosys can fall today. So that is about Infosys. On the other side, the Reliance results seems to be good. I think Reliance GDR, Global Depository Receipt. So Reliance shares being traded in London Stock Exchange. So it is up more than 2%. So that can potentially support the market. So the negativity by Infosys may be offset by the positivity by Reliance. So therefore on a net level to the index, these both together will become neutral. And Axis Bank GDR, again this Reliance GDR, Axis Bank GDR, they are not very high liquid instrument, especially Axis Bank. It is up 0.7%, but Axis Bank was already up about 1% yesterday here. So if factoring that, so Axis Bank is going to be almost flat. So the expectation is that Infosys will be positive, Reliance will be, Infosys will be negative, Reliance will be positive, Axis Bank will be neutral. So therefore, at overall index level, there's no much contribution. So that's why, even the US market came under profit booking. So because of that, the GIFT Nifty indicating about 50-60 point gap down. So, so far, there is nothing big about corporate results. In fact, I was hoping that today market, to significantly gap up or significantly gap down. But the way the corporate results are going, like TCS was up, HCL Technology down, Infosys down, Reliance up. So like one goes up, one goes down. But the markets, not contributing anything significantly for the market. So because of that, the markets, may continue to consolidate until the budget. So probably after the budget, markets can make a direction. So until budget, probably, who knows, 23,000 to 23,500 may be the range. However, we have to wait for some more big results like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So which will start coming in next week. So anyway, the markets are likely to be very, very volatile for the next 2 weeks. So especially because of these results. And the way FMCG stocks are falling looks like, FMCG stocks are not likely to declare good results. So anyway, we will discuss that as and when it comes closer to that. So today, the Kotak Bank will be in focus because tomorrow the Kotak Bank is coming out with the results. So keep watching for yesterday's low and keep watching for yesterday's high also. I think today expected some big violent move, but looks like it's going to be a normal move. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.